What's up everybody? It's DZ back with another unboxing video. This time we're going to be unboxing the More Pilot 7.4 volt 2700 mAh 20 watt hour batteries for the Hubsan H501s. This is a battery upgrade. This is also part of the kit for the 2 battery mod. Now, I haven't gotten the parallel cables yet, and I'm not savvy on soldering and splicing and all that junk, so I don't even mess with it. But this is part of the kit for the upgrade. You can put 2 batteries on the Hubsan and get 30 minutes or more flight time out of it. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. In the box, you get a dual charger. Now this will charge 2 batteries at once, unlike the stock Hubsan battery charger, which only will charge 1 at one time. So this is actually pretty good. If you don't have a balanced charger, this is pretty awesome, because if you already have the Hubsan, you can charge 3 batteries at the same time. So that cuts down on battery charging time. Also in the box, we have one of the batteries. There's actually 2 batteries in here, but only need to show you one, right? Here's the More Pilot. It has the balanced charger connection and the connection to connect it to your quadcopter. This is the More Pilot. I got this for $22.99, I think it was, on Amazon, which is not a bad deal at all. 2 batteries and a dual port balance charger for $22.99, you can't beat that. I'll put a link down in the description below. Hopefully the price is still the same, but I will put a link in the description below to get you to these if you have the H501s and you'd like to do the battery mod, or if you'd like to just get some extra batteries. Links down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and check us out on our Facebook page and check out my affiliate group down below. The links are there. Hit us up. We're here for you guys, the consumer. Nothing but love. DZ's out.